Hey there, hope you're doing very good. Today I'm gonna discuss my one project that I created very recently. So if you can see here, this is my jewelry project. It's ongoing project. If you can see here, on the first page, this is the home page. If you can see here, the smooth videos and title button, and here you can see the smooth animations. If someone click on here, then they will go the next sections. Also, if you can see here, the titles, it's the transparent titles, and when someone hover over the titles menus, then they will see the mega menus like this. If you hover over here, then you can see something like this smooth design. So also here you can see the e-commerce buttons, for someone can search the product, love the product, I mean wish list, product, cart, and my account. If I go to the next sections, here you can see the categories or collection. You can say that anything. If you can see here, our selections or our product, here you can see the product. This is the product design. If you don't like the product design, then we can change it. It's depend on our client satisfactions. So if I click on one product like this one, then you will see the single page design. Single page design moves smoothly. If I see, this is one types of product, so if I click this product, here you can see the like this. If I search a white gold like this, then white gold titles and price and descriptions. If I click on yellow gold, then that will change the price, title, and description. That is the most super. And if you can see the here description, it's ongoing project. So here you can see the size guide, wish list, and compare. Here is the estimate date for delivery. So that's the single page. Or you can check the archive phase like this. If I go to the earning, yearning, sorry for the now you can see the yearning categorize. You can see the single archive phase design look like this. So image and text, something like this. If you click on picture, then it will go to the next options on single page. So I want to go the again home page. So this is the categorize and product, and this is here is the smooth videos. And if we hover over that button, then it will show here a smooth animations like this. Here is the about companies text, and the shipping text or contact us, something like this, and logos are here you can see the logo and footer. Here you can see the footer. If someone click on subscribe the newsletter, something like this, then it will open the new page, and you will click. If you have an account, you can click on account. This is the newsletter page. It's more than smooth. If you go to the jewelry page, then you will see that design, something like this. It's new design for jewelry. When someone hover over, then it will be ups and down. It looks awesome, I think so. So that's the project. It's ongoing project. So if you wanna make a jewelry project look like this, or something like another design, if you like another design, so feel free to contact with me anytime. I'm available to continue your project. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day for you. Bye. Take care of yourself.